Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog.
We're here now in Manila Pen.
Support Ate Denise.
Uy, ang ganda.
Pwede nyo pa-customize yung bag.
Cooper Bish.
So, it's a work day. It's our date day today. We're gonna watch Superman. Humabol kami sa...
On our way to Alabang Clinic. Guys, another errand. Bibili na naman tayo ng...
Kailangan namin for the clinic.
Yeah, we decided to get lunch dito sa barbecue chicken.
Weekly pickleball session. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog.
And it's a Sunday today. It's already 2 p.m. We're here now in Manila Pen because we want to check out Arty Fair.
Yes, and we're here to support Ate Denise of Denise Ramirez Atelier. So, ang ganda ng mga pieces niya. Galing na kami doon kanina. And as support na rin, we got some item for mom din. So, she can wear it sa mga paami events niya in the future. And she can dress it up or dress it down. Yun yung maganda kasi modern pieces yung mga designs ni Alex. Check her out because super sulit naman.
Yeah. Then we went around. We saw a lot of different local brands here na maganda talaga yung items.
Yeah, super nakaka-proud Pinoy kasi ang ganda ng mga iba-ibang designers.
Some modern touch of barongs. Tapos nakita ko isa doon, embroidered yung barong niya and customized. So parang gusto ko sana i-check yun for events. Kasi normally, merong mga modern Filipiniana events. So, pwede siya.
So, ang ganda ng atake nila dito, iba-iba.
This one is so cute. Pwede nyo pa-customize yung bag. It's a real leather also. From Leather Studio.
Ganda! 1,899 for this quality. Handwoven daw from Cavite. Sakto sa orange ko. Guys, so I decided to get the polo. Kasi ang ganda ng quality and I got a discount. Winning!
So, kukunin niya to. May design na parang manong sorbetero. I'm gonna get this one.
Yay! Something from Arty Fair.
Yes, from Alicia Marie. Local, light cup, and chocolate.
Very good. Oh, sakto na. Katapos na namin magawa ng TikTok, first ever TikTok namin sa RNB. Cooper Bish.
Beep, beep, Cooper, beep, beep. Hey guys, we're in Makati Clinic right now at Man Impact Line Clinic. So it's a work day. Join us kasi film namin si Sasa Girl later with mom.
So try natin magpahay kay Sasa Girl.
Kung hindi tayo busy.
Sobrang Latina! Yes, hello, di ba? Patit na ganda, bakla. Siyempre, habol naman kayo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma. Enjoy ka.
Gotta.
Relax ka
Yes.
lang. Okay, we're done filming Sasa Girl. So, tomorrow sa Alabang naman tayo para mag-shoot ng training ni mom.
You want here sa side na?
Ano?
Sa gitna?
17, 16.
Sa gitna? Or ito, 11, 12.
Ay, mas taas. Kasi ito yung screen ko parang...
11, 12. Na J. Para walang harap. Ito lang, no? Hey guys, we're in Food Choices in Glorieta 4 and it's our date day today. We're gonna watch Superman. Humabol kami sa
last full show.
Sa last full show and paano na rin kasi siya, Glorieta 4 na lang yung nag-replay ng Superman yun. So,
Yeah, we're supposed to watch it sa Rockwell pero super late na yung mga available time. And then nag-check kami sa ibang mga cinemas. Dito na yung pinaka earliest na kaya namin panoorin. Kasi ayaw namin manood ng late.
tsaka in Makati, ayaw na rin kasi namin lumayo.
Yeah.
Anyway, so ngayon na lang ulit kami manonood since Avatar 2 came out. So that was what, 3 years ago? 2 years
tagal
ago.
na.
Tagal na rin.
So we also just want to share our small wins recently. Matagal na namin minamanifest kasi to. So if you haven't seen
Taiwan
our
pa.
Taiwan vlog, we've been manifesting yung Klook code.
Oo.
And yes, meron na tayong Klook code.
You can use our code, Rallen Burns Cloak, so you can get up to 300 pesos off your purchase. So,
Yeah, it's
laking
Ral
tulong
and
nun.
Burns Klook.
Yeah, Rallen Burns Cloak. So, ang laking tulong nun. Kasi kahit kami gamit na gamit namin yung
Yes.
mga promo codes ng mga ibang Klook creators din.
Yeah,
So,
here's to more travel and activities
Yes,
with
super
Klook.
exciting.
Yay!
looking forward to more Klook events and then yun naman ang next manifestation, yung mga Klook events. Yay! Kuya.
Hey guys, we're here at the cinemas already and kumuha na kami ng barbecue popcorn. Super excited kami sa mga future na gagamit ng Klook code.
Kahit kami gagamit
Yes.
kami. It's valid for 3 times use per account. Kaya, i-redeem nyo na ngayon para in the future, andun na yung code agad.
Yes.
Gagamit
and
nyo na agad.
we also want to thank you guys for supporting our recent travel vlog, our Vietnam series. Super naging successful siya and thank you again. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching and here's to more travels.
Yeah, here's some more subscribers.
You have hope.
Mine's going to pick you up.
Hey guys, good morning. It's already 10:45. It's a Saturday today and we're on our way to Alabang Clinic. Hey guys, update. We're inside Festival Mall already and binibili na namin yung laptop. Isa yun sa mga errand natin for today.
Camera po. Yan. Tapos ang
Guys, another errand. Bibili na naman tayo ng bagong phone for the clinic. So, doon na tayo pupunta ngayon.
lower na model.
available iPhones. Ay, wala kayong 256.
Wala na po yun, hindi na po.
Yung walang 256 GB. Color black.
Tapos, iPhone 13 ma'am, mid-new.
Okay guys, update. Finally, may nahanap kaming pwedeng bilhan ng phone. At ang ganda ng deal nila dito. So, need kasi na palitan yung mga phones at naglalag na.
Perfect timing din kasi nakahabol kami sa promo. Hanggang tomorrow na lang siya. So, I think it's really time to buy. So, hindi ko na pinakawalan. Kinuha ko na yung phones.
Wow. Double check na lang sir ng
Okay, tapos na kami bumili ng kailangan namin for the clinic. So, we're heading back now and mag-film ulit kami ng more clips for more.
Hey guys, time check. It's already 2 p.m. and sobrang lakas ng ulan ngayon. We decided to get lunch dito sa barbecue chicken. So we ordered yung boneless chicken nila and yung radish na nami-miss namin from Korea. I also ordered yung bulgogi gimbap and spaghetti with dumpling. Gutom na ako kasi lunchtime kaya kain na tayo ngayon.
See, I love Last
Hey guys, it's a Monday today and it's a holiday. So nag-plan kami mag-date today with my current wife. Hey guys, it's already 2 p.m. We're here now at Glorieta and kakagaling lang namin ng BRK.
It's a holiday, so it's real payday. I'm gonna check out some stores like Poppy, Colorette, Daiso, and some other stuff like SM Beauty.
Bestseller namin. Yes po.
Ayan, that's fun.
Ay, malibong na.
Hirap mo?
Cotton sweat. Oh. Parang pili. Wala na sila. Guys, nag-open na yung Pomelo store. Hindi na may material. I like scrubs.
Mas flat yun.
Pickleball sesh. Hey guys! So we're back at the zone for our weekly pickleball session.
It's already 3:49 and we're still waiting for our time kasi 4 o'clock yung reservation namin. Tapos meron naglalaro ngayon na liga ng basketball kaya medyo maingay sa background.
Oo. So we're just waiting for Ate Rain kasi tatlo kami naglalaro dito usually.
So kulang kami na isang player kasi dapat 4. Pero
Yes.
normally, pag kulang isa, double isa, single sa isa.
And ikaw yun normally.
Oh,
Siya
ako yung single.
Kaya hindi ako masyado napapagod kasi kahati ko si Ate Rain.
Naka-warm up lang namin and gusto na namin maglaro pero hindi pa pwede. Pero tatry namin pumasok na ng court. Baka pwede na maaga.
Practice na tayo.
Sa wall ka, di ba?
Dito na lang tayo.
Game. Dilim. 3 lang. Mandaya! Mandaya! Ano yun?
Ang hina!
Yeah!